That's him. And you got it. Hi guys, it's Adam here with Florida Man Adventures, episode 3 of Gator Week. And I actually forgot my GoPros today. That being said, the big gator that I've been hunting, we have a hook in him right here at the side of the boat. And this is, if you guys go back and watch this video that's going to be right here, it's exactly where that gator came from. He's big. Look at his bubbles. Come around, come around. That's him, Billy, right there, bud. There you go. That's his butt right there. How deep are we?
Deep.
18, 20 foot?
Oh, it slipped off. Yeah, you made me mad. I hope he comes up behind you. Just watch y'all's head behind us. He's coming out.
He's coming up. We're going to have to get a look at him right here. Here he is.
Come up, man. Come up.
One on the right and one on the left side of him.
Don't do it. Oh, God. They're out. Oh, that's a man, son.
Jim, you gotta stay tight. You gotta stay tight.
Rib it in reverse, Adam, to get him to go out. There you go, you're good.
Do we need a harpoon for this gator?
I want to get this thing right here. Did you see the boil?
Yeah, he's Shiloh, this is your boy here.
We just got to get this hook in. Adam, go right. Keep on the right because he's trying to get in them trees. Don't really get screwed. You're right. Just hard right, Adam. Just try to push him out. Just keep it tight.
Read back again.
Perfect, right there. Right here.
Billy, I'm gonna try here too.
Yep. I got him, Adam.
You got him?
Yep.
You can get up there with a hand line?
He's coming up right now.
I don't see a case where this gator isn't hanging next to it.
There's the tail.
Oh yeah. Ah, shoot, I don't know.
I had a hook in my foot. He's coming up, Adam.
He looks, he got a big head.
Yeah. He's about to be right here.
He's big. I just don't know how big. I'd rather have him on the other side.
Okay.
All right, everybody just kind of shifts around.
Everybody's got him in the tail. He's coming out there. His tail falls short. He's just thick. Look at how thick it is. He is freaking thick, son. Wet. Yep. Well, we will, what do you think, Shiloh? Look how thick that gator is. You see how the girth of that tail? That's crazy thick.
What do you think, he's 11? What do you think, Billy?
Here, hold this, fella.
Quit chewing on my boat.
Look how thick the girth is.
Mighty knows.
That gator is thick, boy. You want to rope him and... Tickle, tickle.
Got big head there, too.
He got his head.
Wet!
Look at the girth on that shit.
Jesus.
Bud, that is one of the fattest tails I have seen in a long time. Bud, that tail...
Grab the measure and take it. Let's go. Dude.
Night-night.
Good job, man.
Night-night.
That, Billy, that gator right there is just as thick as that gator from last year.
Dude, I can't believe how thick he is, dude. That is... blows my mind.
And how pretty he is.
We even had an audience.
Oh,
Yeah, I
that's
called
big.
him to bring a harpoon.
Come on, boy.
I got a prodigy for sale.
Rather than bite something like this than bite that.
Hey, Tyler, look at this tail. Look at this tail.
Like that girth, dude, is just... There's so much meat right there, Bob.
No, he's dead.
Can you hand me the pliers back there, please, sir?
Look at this little fatty tail.
Where are they at?
They're
Hey,
right there behind
did
him.
you see that gator right there?
It's right behind my right foot.
Oh, that's it. Yeah. This one will stretch to 11. Did you make a video for me this morning? My GoPro's still in the truck. What kind of YouTuber leaves their GoPro in the truck? Hey!
My buddy.
See how fat he is? He just kind of dies off at the, you know, in the center body is what's. Yeah, he'll go 11. How are we gonna do it? You gonna take that day cook out?
I think we'll have to go head first.
Now see, this is why I like the gator track, so we can all get to the side, and that way it's in the water, and he just comes in with the water.
Let me take this out here. The big hook is out, so don't let him go and break off.
All right. Jim, don't hurt your back.
1, 2.
Come on, man.
Hey, get a leg.
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy!
Get the gut over. Suck the gut in, boys. Suck the gut.
Dude, man.
Dude, that gator's thick. He's wide. He probably got about a hog or a deer or two in him.
God dang. Yes, we will, baby. All right, buddy. Do the honors. Give her a little tug. Yes, sir. Congrats, dude.
Thank you.
Good job, guys.
Awesome.
That was some good teamwork. All right, guys. So we wrapped up this week 2 of Gator season. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not. I'll probably have a lot of new traffic here from Yacht's channel because week 1 I didn't film anything. All of that is over on his channel. That being said, we caught a real big gator yesterday. We caught a bunch of gators yesterday, and the way we were catching them, because my buddy Shiloh he wanted a big, thick, impressive gator. We had to catch them with snatch hooks, which is totally legal to unhook the hook and let the gators go. And we only do it if they're healthy and they swim off, everything is fine. We've actually seen all the gators we caught yesterday today, and there's actually 2 that's probably about to fight about 400 yards that way. That being said, we wrapped it up here on a really big gator. And just look at the tail here. This is what I find just so impressive, because so for reference, I have really large hands. From my pinky to my thumb is 11 inches. Look at that. That's a lot. That's a lot of booty meat right there, boys. But also, this episode, I wanted to let you guys know that Shiloh's down here with the Holy Pursuit Dreams Foundation. So it's a foundation that it's phenomenal. Actually, the guy behind the camera, Sawyer, is he actually killed a gator yesterday. He's a kid with the foundation. And I'm gonna let Shiloh tell you guys a little bit about it. And if you're a Florida resident and it's something to where you would like to be a tag guy, not necessarily for me, but for the foundation, just get up with me. You all have my Instagram handle. You can find it that way. And if you just want to be a tag guy for them, and if we don't have a kid to go on the hunt and you want to go on your own, that's fine too. I'll still give you my zones, which is like deep in Manatee County, as you all know. So we're gonna let Shiloh tell you guys a little bit about the foundation. All right, buddy. So I want you to tell me, first of all, I want you to tell me exactly the biggest buck you're gonna kill this year at Holy Pursuit. Make a call. Make a call right now.
Let's go 192.
Ooh, that's lofty. So tell me a little bit about the foundation. 1, what is it? 2, how can people help what you're doing?
So it's Holy Pursuit Stream Foundation. Basically, we are doing Make-A-Wish style trips for kids, hunting and fishing trips. Make-A-Wish won't do hunting trips for kids. They're worried about their donor base, so we're trying to fill that gap. We're also trying to bring the aspect of bringing Christ to people through that, sharing the love of Christ with them, and just blessing the children that deserve it. All these children have life-threatening illnesses or diseases, and we're just honored that the Lord has tapped us to try to do a small part and to bring glory to his name. So
seems good enough for me. You guys send them some money, and you guys are nonprofit too, right?
We are a 501c nonprofit. We're 100% donor funded, so I can give Adam the information to put in the links below, but we just appreciate him and all the time he donates for these kids. We bring them down here and show them a great time, and it's just a wonderful experience for all these kids. And
another thing, guys, if you guys know a kid that could potentially, even if you think they could qualify to go on one of these trips, they have so many trips from so many generous donors. I mean, you guys have stuff in Wyoming, Illinois, everywhere, New Mexico. So if you know anyone, even if you don't think that a kid could necessarily qualify, drop down in the link below. It's the Holy Pursuit Dreams Foundation link, and just fill out the form and make it help you guys out. And it'd be a good time, I know that.
Absolutely. They're always blessed.
Also, let me say this too. Every time that these kids come down on a hunt, we smoke gators really quick. This guy here, this is his 3rd year coming down. Year number 1, it was awful winds, It was tough. We killed on the last day. Last year we weren't hunting with snatch hooks, and we had it ended up being what, 11.2, 11.3, 11. It was a big gator. Eat a bait, and we were after a bigger one. But this year we had a thick one. I think he's gonna go 11.
Absolutely.
Yeah. How about this? How about down in the comments below, whoever guesses the closest length to this gator, I'll give you guys a link to get a free shirt and a free hat from Florida Men Apparel. So, all right. I think that's going to wrap us up for this one, guys. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We're going to be on the same lake next week, and it's going to be a mighty fine time. So we'll see you guys then. And until then, be careful. Say hello when you see us. See you next time.